Hey guys, I know it's been a while since the last time I put out a video, but I've been very busy, lots of things happening in my life, job changes, and just a lot of stuff going on. This is a Medeco M3. You can see the little M3 right there, I hope. Yeah, well, here's the keys. You can definitely see it on the keys. There's M3. Works perfectly. So we're gonna try to jump back in. This will be the first time I've actually sat down to pick a lock, I think, since my last video. So we'll see how it goes. Well, since my last video and not for work. Okay. He's happy. He feels happy. Pin 1 feels like he wants a little love. Okay. I think I just got him. Oh, there we go. Big click out of 5. He must be a mushroom. I haven't had this lock apart yet, so this is one that I'm borrowing from my bosses. Okay, 6 is definitely set. Let's see. Number 5 feels like he wants some attention. Oh. Okay, just got a little turn on the core there. Number 3 feels like this will definitely be the first high security lock I've attempted to pick since I started working at the locksmith. There it is. Medeco M3 picked. Alright, now let's take it apart. Check out this neat pinning tray my bosses are I pulled out of the shop here. So it's got a little wheel for all different sized cylinders, so you can hold everything together. I think the Medeco is this size, but we'll find out in a minute. I'm going to, you can see there it is picked. I am going to lock it back up because I have the key, and I'm going to pull it apart. Okay, now I gotta hold the slider and the sidebar in place. And I'll just stick that. That's not the right size. Let me see. There must be a bigger one then. Is it that one? No. There it is. Alright. So that'll let us pull the pins out. Let's drop the sidebar first. Alright. This is the very first time I've attempted to pick this lock, so I'm pretty excited about the result. There's a sidebar, all the fingers are there, you can see that. Let me move these springs out of the way. Excellent. Now we will drop the pins. There. Grab my other tweezers, bear with me. There's pin 1. Two, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then we'll spin this guy around to expose the slider. Okay, pull that key back out of there. And then we will pull the slider out of here. Be careful for that spring. I'm going to set that right there. Here's the slider with his pegs still intact. Put that up there, number 1. And then we'll go to the Bible. Number 1 is a mushroom. Or is it? It's weird looking. Look at that. It's like a mushroom, but it's got a double bevel almost. It's like an hourglass. Okay. Number 2 is the same. Number 3 is a little tiny short brass pin. Number 4 is an anti-drill. Number 5 is another one of these hourglasses. And number 6 is another hourglass. Okay, guys. Give you a close-up on all this. And I'll rotate these pins so we can see the false gates and everything. Let me orient my camera. Okay, pin number 1 appears to not have a false gate. Yep, pin number 1 only has a true gate. Pin number 2 only has a true gate. Pin number 3 only has a true gate. Number 4 only has a true gate. Number 5 only has 1 gate. And number 6 only has 1 gate. I wonder if they're changing these. You can see that they all have a serration here at the top. Each pin has a serration there, probably to hang up in the shear line on a pick attempt. Maybe they decided that the false gates weren't effective. I don't know. I don't know why, but there you go. You're looking at it. That's what I've got. everything's in there, everything's in place and working properly. And there we go, Medeco M3 picked and gutted. Thank you for watching. Have a good night, guys.